Today I will be calling cable. My name is Wakar Meyer and I'm your Elliott wave analyst, reviewing what has been and predicting what is likely to be in cable price action. So since the last video, not much has happened. It's retraced a little bit, but not much. As you can see, it's 23% retrace. Fourth waves tend to be about 38%-ish, something like that. As I have said previously, we're working an E wave of a multi-year triangle. Now, as you can see, the third wave is just barely longer, oops, just barely longer than the first wave. That says to me that neither the first or third wave are the extended wave. So if there's going to be an extended wave, it's got to be the fifth wave. And if this count is correct, just kind of guesstimating the retrace. Let's just pretend, let me get rid of that. Let's just pretend that this drop here is A of 4. Let's say it's going to make a new high and a B throw over and then come down and take out A, okay, right there. And then C would be, let's just say somewhere around here, 54.75. Let's just guesstimate. That would mean that if 5 was going to be the extended wave, that you would probably see it push past the end of this retrace zone that I was talking about for the drop. So you could see it get to 58.47, 58.90, maybe 5600, or excuse me, 5900. I think that's possible while still maintaining the channel. It could come up, touch the channel again, come down, and then slowly start its way up. It could also potentially make a bit of a drawn out triangle, right? So potentially this whole movement could draw out fairly sideways as a triangle, something like that, and then it would push its way up. But regardless of what it does, I would expect it to stay in the channel. Maybe maybe this is 5 waves down. It's still developing, it's hard to say. It's going to make a B wave, and then it would, I think we talked about this yesterday, perhaps make a longer fourth wave, meaning it would be an expanding diagonal. But regardless, cable really hasn't done much since yesterday's call, so no trade information right now. I would say sit tight and wait for it to develop further when we can have a high probability trade. That's the call for today. I hope you join me tomorrow for the next call.